Welcome to AITV News. If you live in Tornado Alley, you're likely no stranger to severe weather. But a different kind of storm is brewing for homeowners, skyrocketing insurance costs. Today, we're examining why this is happening and how increasingly destructive hail is a primary driver. Tornado Alley, a region in the central United States known for its frequent and powerful tornadoes, is now confronting a significant and growing financial threat from hail. While tornadoes often capture the headlines due to their dramatic nature, hailstorms are consistently causing substantial and escalating damage. These icy projectiles form within the strong updrafts of severe thunderstorms and can batter homes, shred roofs and siding, and shatter windows. States particularly affected include Texas, Oklahoma, Colorado, Kansas, and Nebraska, which are seeing a pattern of more frequent and intense hailstorms. In fact, data from recent years indicates that insured losses from hail have often surpassed those from tornadoes in these very states. So, what's behind this surge in hail-related damage? Shifting weather patterns appear to play a crucial role. An atmosphere that is warmer and holds more moisture can fuel more powerful storms, characterized by stronger updrafts. These conditions are conducive to the formation of larger and therefore more damaging hail. While definitively attributing any single weather event to climate change is complex, the observed trend of increasing severe convective storms, the type that produce hail, is a significant concern for meteorologists and insurers alike. Compounding this financial pressure is the economic factor of inflation. The rising costs of building materials, such as lumber and shingles, coupled with increased labor expenses, mean that each hail damage claim is now considerably more expensive for insurance companies to resolve. This relentless barrage of costly claims is compelling the insurance industry to take action. Homeowners across Tornado Alley are witnessing their insurance premiums climb, sometimes by double-digit percentages annually. Insurers are not only increasing prices, many are also raising deductibles, especially for damage caused by hail or wind. This translates to homeowners bearing a larger portion of the repair costs out of pocket before their insurance coverage begins. In more extreme situations, some insurance companies are limiting the types of coverage they offer, or in some instances, ceasing to write new policies in areas deemed too high risk. This can leave residents scrambling to find affordable and adequate protection for their properties. Furthermore, the cost of reinsurance, which is essentially insurance purchased by insurance companies to protect themselves from very large losses, has also risen, driven by an increase in catastrophic weather events globally. These higher reinsurance costs are typically passed on to consumers in the form of higher premiums. The consequences for homeowners are severe and multifaceted. Higher insurance premiums place a significant strain on household budgets, making the dream of homeownership less attainable or sustainable for some. Many residents are finding it increasingly difficult to secure comprehensive coverage, leading to a rise in underinsurance. This means that in the event of a major hailstorm, they may lack the sufficient funds to fully rebuild or repair their homes. Such a situation creates a tangible risk of individuals being priced out of their homes, or, for those not bound by a mortgage agreement that mandates insurance, choosing to forego coverage altogether, thereby risking complete financial devastation if disaster strikes. Consumer advocacy groups are becoming increasingly vocal about this escalating crisis. What potential solutions exist? Investing in more hail-resistant roofing materials, such as Class 4 impact-resistant shingles, can demonstrably reduce the extent of damage from hailstorms, though these materials do come with a higher upfront cost. Discussions are also underway at community and state levels regarding the updating of building codes to promote more resilient construction and the implementation of smarter land use planning to mitigate risks in vulnerable areas. Ultimately, many experts concur that addressing the broader, systemic issue of climate change is vital for achieving long-term stability in the insurance market and for protecting homeowners. The escalating cost of home insurance in Tornado Alley, largely fueled by the growing and increasingly expensive threat of hail, presents a complex challenge with no easy answers. It directly affects the financial well-being and security of millions of residents. This is an evolving situation, and AITV News will continue to monitor developments and report on their impact.